Hey guys, I am Cedar Mercier and I have done a little braid over here and it's kind of hard to see it, but I just thought that this would be a nice little tutorial of how to do some cute braids when you have not washed your hair and it needs to be washed. Well, my hair was supposed to be washed today, but I just plumb ran out of time and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. So I already braided this side, and I like the Dutch braid or the braid that you can see on the inside or the reverse braid. And sometimes it's hard to teach, so I'm just gonna do it and let you watch. I just kind of gave myself a little zigzag part. All my little new growths coming out. I'm gonna try to get it over there. And I'm not real particular. I don't think it should be perfect. Just braided. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started right here. I divide into 3 sections, mostly even, and I just start braiding. And if you think the middle one has to go to the outside, I twist a lot too when I do mine. So I twist this outer one to the middle, and I just kind of twist that section. Then I grab a section of hair and get it in this top piece right here, holding it kind of tight. And then I take that from the middle and go around and then twist these others. So I don't got no hair there because of my shaved side. So, and I didn't put any product in it or anything like that. If my hair was wet, you could use like a mousse or a curl cream or the air dry cream is really great for this because it will hold and remember the pattern without, take this middle one, without making it frizzy, and I twist so that you'll have little ringlets. And I twist this one, get my fingers in there, take the outside one, twist. See, I don't have a ton of hair. Well, that is probably the reason why. And actually, I didn't even grab a hair tie. I'm gonna try to see if I have one. I know I don't have another red one. See, I probably missed some, but like I said, it does not have to be perfect. It just has to be fun. And I kind of do it down here at the bottom. And then I take my braid and I kind of pull on these little pieces right here, the braid part on the outside, and I just kind of give a little tug. And it kind of helps the braid to look a little bit bigger. I leave it kind of loose. Bring it around and show you exactly what I'm doing here. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is easier to do when it's dry. When it's wet, it's harder to do, to separate. I just take those, stretch them out there so that they're all even-ish. Get a little bit of Refinish hairspray, shake it up, it works best. Tame those guys down because it is Kansas. I'm gonna walk outside and then get all these guys to come back out. But these little, my bangs, which, you know, I love bangs and I need bangs because I have a ginormous forehead. But for some reason, I just like to braid them instead of style them. So anyways, that's little Dutch braids, little French. You could always, if this part's too confusing, you could just gather it down here and then just braid nice and loosely. If you don't have a lot of layers poking out, that's it. This French braid really kind of helps when you have a lot of layers. And so it just kind of hides them and sneaks them in there. So there I am, feeling very Pippi Longstocking-ish. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you had a great little tutorial and that you learned something new. So, have a great day.